It's confirmed. I'm doing a 1,000-kilometer road trip to go stage 3 on this car.
That's right, I wasn't lying. We are officially on our way to Bangalore to kick off phase 1 of the i20 NLine build. And this is no ordinary build. First stop is FastLane Garage, where the car gets a fully custom downpipe and exhaust system from RaceNote Performance. This is going to be a 2-inch exhaust system with a completely custom downpipe and an SS304 exhaust system. Next, we head to Stellar Turbos to develop a bespoke intercooler, because once we turn things up, cooling is going to become just as important as power, and this build isn't about numbers alone, it's about doing it right. And finally, we make our way to Mumbai, where the heart of this project comes alive with the installation of the Much Boost Stage 3 turbocharger for the i20 NLine manual. Yes, it's taken time, but when you're building something that's a first of its kind in the country, there are no shortcuts. This is just the beginning.
And just like that, we have arrived at Bangalore, our first destination, FastLane Garage, to get a full system exhaust. So I'm just here checking out the full exhaust. I love the finish, and these two things I'm not going to be installing right now. I'm going to be actually carrying with me, because this is the downpipe and the GPF delete pipe. And if I need to fit this on, I'm going to have to remap the car, because the car will throw an error, because these connect to O2 sensors and other sensors that will basically not let me drive in peace. So I'm going to carry this, and when we go stage 3 and install the turbo, that's when I'm going to install it. Welcome to Underbody Tours i20 NLine edition. This is the first time I'm seeing the bottom of my car, so I'm a little excited. First time I'm looking at the muffler. It looks massive and very restrictive. The piping is actually quite slim, and when you come towards the front, you can see the cat right here and some sort of resonator or expansion chamber right here that has got quite a couple of O2 sensors. So we're not going to be touching this side. I'm pretty sure we're going to be changing all of that. If you guys want an exhaust for an i20 NLine stock, let me know. Never used factory mic. Mom is going to drive a stage 3 car now. That's insane. So this is the stock muffler. As you can see, it's dirty and it's quite big compared to the muffler we are going to be putting on. This is a little bit less restrictive, and since it is shorter, they're going to be doing a little bit of weird test fitting. So let's see if it fits nicely. I'm in a very awkward position. So it's around 6-ish PM at FastLane Garage, and I'm going to be completely honest, us three boys, the ones who have done a road trip all the way with this car, are absolutely destroyed. So the boys at FastLane Garage and RaceNote Performance are going to continue working throughout the night, which I'm really grateful for, and they're going to get done with the entire car by tomorrow morning. So I'll get the car tomorrow morning, and we will see the progress tomorrow. However, because we are so tired, we are heading home, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Yo boys, we are back at FastLane Garage for day 2, and currently we have caught them just test fitting the downpipe. So they're currently doing the
O2 sensors, and as you can see, they've just fit the downpipe, and I've actually interrupted them. They're just test fitting all of it, and Jonathan actually mentioned that 23, 24 and 25 i20 NLines, all of them have different turbo placements and exhaust setups and different positions of sensors. So this is, yeah. So, yeah, so they have to do a little bit of different stuff because they've not done a facelifted car before. So yeah, they're just doing it so that we don't have trouble later on. Thank you, FastLane. So finally, the exhaust has been fit. It's time to start the car. Let's go. I can start the car? How's it sounding, bro?
Sounds nice. I feel a bit too much bassy though.
Quite bassy.
Quite bassy, yeah.
Quite bassy. And there's a little bit of drone in the back end, like in the back side of the car.
drone hai. You feel the drone. There's
But it sounds
quite a
nice.
lot of drone.
I actually like how bassy it is.
It's bassy, it's nice. Come out, you hear it. You hear it.
Got quite a lot of bass. And this one is going to be pretty much the first one in the country. I'm getting an intercooler from Stellar Turbochargers. As you can see, the core over here is around 10.5 inches, and vertically now we're going close to 14 inches. This is the same stuff that's used in a lot of high performance cars like McLarens and stuff. So I'm putting that stuff in my i20 NLine.